Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. Right now with you, I'm going to share with you on how to fix your account can't be private. Whereby if your Instagram account can be private, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So when you go to your profile page, tap on the three line at the top right corner, then scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see creator tools and controls. Tap on it. Then when you tap on it here, tap on switch account type. Then tap on switch to personal account. When you tap on switch to personal account, mind you are going to lose some insight. If you have a Meta verified subscription, it's also going to be cancelled. So if you are okay with that, tap on switch to personal account. When you tap on it, give it 1 or 2 seconds, then it's going to pop you back to the settings page over here. Then you are going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see account privacy here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, then tap on the first option, which is private account, then tap on switch to private account. Then as you can see here, you can review this later, so you tap on cancel. So guys, this is how to fix this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.